Hello everyone. In this video you will learn about how to use Loom tool for recording lectures. So let us have an idea about this tool. Just sign in or get Loom for free and sign up with the Google account. I have already tried this one, so it will directly log in, or otherwise it may ask about the password and other things for the login. Some extra permissions it will require. So now here you can see that there is a new video option, or you can choose that one from here. Record a video, then go to the record video option and you can select that one, start recording. So here you can find there is a option, either you want to record a full screen, window or current tab, camera only, you can choose that one, and here you can select your camera for that purpose. So it is not working with this one right now, and then default microphones that you want to use, start recording, and which screen you want to record. For example, you want to record the complete screen, system audio you can select and just enter that one, hide this tab, and it will start the recording. So now in this recording, what type of process you are going to do and what task you are doing, PPT or presentations that you are running with this one, so you can see all the process related to this one. Then after recording this one, I will just stop this process, and there is a number of option for that video. If I am able to connect with my video, minimize this one, and this is your screen, and close this one, and here you can see that there are lots of options. Edit and transcript, faster more precise editing are there for the trial version right now, and stitch together and trim video clips that you want to do with this process. Here you can use this one also. And if you are we are on this platform, so here you can see that there is a option, remove filler words. If we are using word like all these types of filler words, it will remove. And remove silence, if we are not speaking anything, then it will also remove that type of content. Here you can set title and summary related to the video. You can edit title, summary and chapter name for that video by using this one, edit title related to video, and write documents, create an issue and write message, anything you can do. It is a AI based tool, and it is also available in the paid version, so we can also purchase that video. There is no advertisement and few video that we are using for recording. It is very smooth, everything it is providing, and advanced quality of video this tool is providing to you. So thank you so much for watching this video.